Have you ever clicked on something online and wondered why it took just a bit too long to respond? That tiny delay you experience could be due to latency, a silent speed killer in the world of technology. Whether you're gaming, streaming, video conferencing, or browsing the web, latency plays a critical role in how smooth or sluggish your digital experience feels. Latency refers to the time it takes for data to travel from one point to another. In simpler terms, it's the delay between an action and its reaction. For instance, when you click a link, latency is the time it takes for your request to reach the server and come back with a response. While it's measured in milliseconds, even small differences can make a big impact, especially in real-time applications. To understand latency's full effect, it's important to distinguish it from bandwidth. While bandwidth is about how much data can be transmitted at once, latency is all about how fast the data gets from source to destination. Think of bandwidth as the width of a highway and latency as the speed limit. A wide road doesn't help if traffic moves slowly. There are many factors that influence latency. Physical distance between devices, network congestion, hardware limitations, and routing inefficiencies all contribute. In gaming, high latency, often called lag, can ruin competitive play. In finance, it can delay trades by milliseconds, costing money. In video calls, it creates awkward pauses and poor communication flow. Technologies like fiber optics, edge computing, and 5G networks aim to reduce latency by shortening distances and processing data closer to users. Content delivery networks, CDNs, and optimized server architectures also help by distributing load and minimizing response time. If you're a gamer, developer, or digital professional, optimizing for low latency can drastically improve your experience. Prioritize wired connections when possible, choose local servers, and monitor network health to keep delays to a minimum. Now that you know what latency is and how deeply it affects speed and performance, what steps are you taking, or planning to take, to reduce it in your own digital life?